into your November session, we'll be talking all things 2025. The fact that we're here already is nuts, but we often talk about how we need to be making daily plans, weekly plans. The same applies when it comes to our annual planning, which is a great time of year to do now.
Yeah, absolutely. And we'll go through a step-by-step process that we've been utilising across all of our recruitment careers. And how do you actually move through a bit of a process to come together with a very, very targeted plan for 2025. So it's all things reflection of the year, and then moving forward, what are we doing from a recruitment activity perspective, from a marketing perspective, from a tracking perspective, and from a career planning perspective as well. So it's going to be quite encompassing. We're looking forward to this one because I think a really good, solid plan will hold yourself accountable to the results and get you pumped for the year ahead, 2025.
Yeah, a big part of this for me is actually understanding what's within our control, what are the influences of the market, what we're doing. So there's so much to go through, but we can't wait. It's one of our favourite subjects.
See you soon.
See you in November. Bye.